Okay, hello everyone. Here I'm going to review these two Bluetooth speakers. On my right here I've got the T2 Plus Tronsmart, and on the left here I've got the Anker Soundcore 2. Okay, they're both more or less the same price. The Tronsmart here is about 30 quid. It could go cheaper to about 25 quid here in the UK, and the Anker is about 32 quid when it's on offer, and the RRP is about 39 quid. Okay, so they're both very affordable for what they provide. So I'm gonna start with the Tronsmart. The T2 Plus is slightly bigger. It's got this hook here, which is quite useful. Feels sturdy. Let's have a look at the ports at the back. So it's got USB-C charging and a TF card for playing your own music from the speaker itself. Right, so got an FC, and let's just switch it on. Okay. Right, now the Anker Soundcore 2, it's slightly smaller, more or less the same weight, and quickly look here at the ports. So it's got USB, micro USB, and aux input. Okay, let's see. Right, let's switch it on. Which one is the front? This one. Okay, so sound test. Okay, give it a quick sound demo. It's the same song. I'm going to play on both speakers. I'm going to play the volume at halfway through. So this is the song. It's called Ridge Racer. That was very nice to listen to. Okay, switch to the Tronsmart. Gonna check the volume. Right, okay, straight away I will say, oh my god, the Tronsmart is much more powerful. It's got more bass, I could feel it in my hand. The Anker sound was clear, was very good, but as soon as I switched to the Tronsmart, it had more power. To be honest, it's slightly bigger anyway, but not too much, but it had a kick to it. Okay, let's choose another song. can see that there is a massive volume difference in between them. So it's not quite fair, because this one seems to be less, it's got less power, while this one's got more power. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play them at full volume so you get what they are capable of doing at full volume. Right, definitely I can tell that the Tronsmart is about 30% more powerful. So, because I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my sound level meter to measure how loud they both get. So, let's start with the Anker. So that's 105 decibels. And the Tronsmart has got 108 decibels, so you can see it's more powerful. But like I said, it's quite slightly bigger. It's not wider, but it's bigger. It's like about 5 millimeters at the back, and height I would say about 1 centimeter high. It doesn't feel heavier though. Doesn't feel heavier. Okay, so basically I would definitely recommend the Tronsmart. It's really powerful. It gets very loud. It'll definitely fill in a room, a small room. Fills it in with sound. The Anker is great sound quality, but it isn't as powerful. However, it's smaller, and I also recommend it. So thank you very much guys for listening and for watching, and if you liked this review, please subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you on another one. Bye.